Hi, this is a foreigner living in the Philippines. Just got back from a buying bike trip, and we managed to get the 2 bikes that I think I show you for the price of 1. So here we are. Here's Ballalut. Straighten out Ballalut. Okay, got it. Straighten up.
Sakay na, Lot. Sige na.
Sagsa sila sa taliklik.
Oh. Sige na, drive na. Sige na.
Di aram na kay bawo si tarik. Di mo na kay bawo tarik. Di ba kaya?
Taliklik is need more practice.
It needs to go. Put your leg up here. I think she needs it higher. She needs it higher. Okay, I'm going to put it higher. Well, this is the good news. Now we're going to have to get them sorted out so they can ride. I don't think. Can you ride, Talik? I'm not sure. So this was the end of a good day. Seeing a lot of happy kids. This is yes. This is no. Okay, foreigner in the Philippines, saying goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Once again, thank you, Joshua. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Caleb. Thank you, young Joshua.
Unsa yung isulti?
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Joshua and Ma'am Tammy for the bike. For the bike.
Thanks a lot, guys. So much appreciated. Thank you. Bye for now.